who are the people that really successful, consistently make money in the marketplace? And I don't believe in the one guru, one hero story. I really hated it. Because, give you an example, Katie Wood was the top hedge fund manager in the world in the year 2020 during the pandemic. Guess what? The following year, she was the worst performing. So at different season, each individual will perform differently. So here's the idea. Let's tackle the who. What if I give you the proposition today that today you have access to every single money manager on Wall Street, but you're not going to follow all of them. You're going to follow the most successful of them. A crowd-based approach, tapping on the knowledge of the guys who consistently make money in the stock market over the past 20, 30, 40, 50 years in the market. You have access to the who. Second question, what do they invest in? So what we devise is a proprietary approach using data. Now, we can have all the videos and webinars and podcasts and all that stuff talking about theories, concept, methodology, strategies. But guess what? What is the number one blind spot? You need proprietary good data. And today, we kind of set up Spiking just with one single focus. I want to have the best data of every single money manager on Wall Street. Whatever they buy, whatever they sell, I will get the data in real time. So we solved the question of what. What exactly are they buying? What exactly are they selling? We have the data today. Then the next question is, when should you enter the market? Wow. And there's no better time than right now. We've gone through the worst of the past 4 years. Hear me out. It started in 2020. We had a Wuhan virus that changed to COVID-19. We had a lockdown. That's terrible for everybody. We've gone through the worst inflation, the worst high interest rate environment. We've gone through invasion of Russia and Ukraine. We also have invasion of Israel and Iran and the Gaza Strip. Guess what? There's so many things going on at the same time. But fast forward to today, things kind of settle down. We're really optimistic. We're all penned up for massive change. And you're at the season where you witness change in your lifetime. Change that if you miss this opportunity, you miss for life. So the when right now, the macro environment is really ideal for you to start investing. The market, is it ready for you? Oh, yes. Holy moly. Look at how the stocks are performing right now. We got 3 companies that passed through $3 trillion market cap. That's not seen in the past few years. Right now, you're looking at it real time, live. So we solved the question of when. Who, what, when, and where. Where should you invest your money? And that's the one that I spend a lot of time thinking about it the most. And that's why we coin it COSY, C-O-S-Y. I believe in your portfolio, you must own Bitcoin. I believe you must have stocks. And I believe you must have options to accelerate your return. And I believe, yes, we have to start investing today, not tomorrow, today, right now. Now, these instruments I just shared with you, why not other instruments? And I have friends from Chicago Mercantile Exchange, Clemen, get into the world of commodities. I have friends from Forex, Clemen, get into Forex. And all these years, I've been persuaded by them. But my core fundamental question I want to tackle the root problem is this. Is it easier for me today to study a company versus for me to study a country? Wow. That's what Forex is all about. If you talk about US Japanese yen, US British pound, you have to look at 2 countries. It's much more things to solve. But if you zoom into a company itself, I'm carrying an iPhone right here. I'm really just studying Apple as a company. That makes so much easier. And the data is transparent. And that's the reason why we believe the instrument COSY, where is the place that you should invest with your money. So we've gone through who, what, where, when, and finally, why should you invest? I'm really happy in my job. I'm really happy in my life right now. I don't want to mess it up, rock the boat. I'm really happy with my business. Don't distract me with any other thing. And guess what? I work with over 50,000 students over 80 different countries. What I discovered is this. Give you an example. A busy executive built a great career, helps the company, his or her company, make so much money. But guess what? Along the way, by the way, they forgotten about their own personal finances. Oh my God, I slogged all my years, got a great career, great title, but financially I'm poor. They got blindsided. Likewise for a businessman, an entrepreneur, gave blood, tears and sweat, run the business, including his life savings, reinvest back into the business. And one day the business failed. He's like, oh my gosh, I
Lost everything.
I lost everything. I'm a bankrupt with nothing to my name. And this is a very common phenomena. That's why I keep challenging busy executives, busy entrepreneurs. You've got to stop your busyness, get busy with your finances. And this is going to complement whatever work that you're doing. When you invest, you could help your career, you'll help your business, you have knowledge of the world.